Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're down here at the Roastery, the Factory Cafe. That's Chris Ruck over there. I am Corey Pratt, and this is Craving Cars. We are down here for Rigs and Roast. This is the second ever Rigs and Roast that's ever existed in life under at least Craving Cars, unless someone else has that name somewhere, which I don't think they do. But
I don't think they do.
I don't think they do. Either way, at least in Kansas City. But we're down here, same location we were back in October at the Roastery here in Kansas City. They tend to call this the Factory Cafe because this is actually where they do all the roasting, and they actually come here to do a tour and just, well, you can't get any fresher coffee in Kansas City than right here.
You know, it was cool because the first time I've been in the building, and it's amazing in there.
I'm going to keep saying it, but we're doing a lot of firsts
Well,
for Mr. Ruck.
You do.
We do
You're
a lot of
educating me.
firsts. But we're expecting a decent little show up. I mean, the weather may be affecting it because it did rain earlier. It might rain during it. I don't know. But as of right now, it's not raining, and we're going to enjoy it.
That's correct. We loved it.
I think the sun's even going to come
I'm
out.
excited.
So I'm all work. So am I. Just keep watching. Let's go with it. Keep watching. B-roll time.
I'm walking off. I got stuff to do.
Yeah, we're going. Get to work. Oh, this was a fun time out here. Saw some people from last time, saw some new people that didn't make it out to the first Rigs and Roast. And thank you to the Roastery for letting us kind of host this here. And I'm sure they brought plenty of coffee, which is, they should have, because it's very good coffee here. It's the best in KC. And probably anywhere I've ever had coffee. And this is coming from a guy who's not a huge coffee drinker, but I really like their coffee. So we got a few people still around. Here we go, a couple right there. Well, we got 3, 6 or 7 still kind of sticking around. It's after 10, but I mean, we're only doing this for a couple hours. It's kind of, like I said, it's like a cars and coffee for us overlanders and off-roaders and stuff like that. The setup was good. Chris is back here breaking down a few things. Look at that, Serenity right there, the mobile apocalypse studio. I don't know what we're gonna officially call it, but it's the mobile studio. It's Serenity. Either way, guys, thanks for watching. Just truly appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, comment. If you're a part of this or you know anything, how often do you want to see a Rigs and Roast happening? And what other events would you be interested in joining? And if you have any places that you're a part of, so any clubs and groups of this sort that you're part of, please leave them in the description so we can try to be part of those too, and we can be in communication of certain events and things that are going on. So thank you so much. Like I said, I am Corey Pratt. That is Chris Ruck back there. And to all you cravers out there,
Keep craving!
I think that's it. I think we're good. Are we good?
I'm good.
I'm talking with the mic with the camera now. I forgot I don't have a mic on top of this. This is pointless. See ya.